Woo! Woo! Look, I just been keeping my poise. Made by the million, but still unemployed. They text me about green, but not on Android. She not my shawty, she filling the void. I make the sounds that cut through the noise. He think he a man, but he chillin' with boys. Put down the liquor, start drinking LaCroix. The pain wasn't choice, but now I rejoice. My uncle had told me that I was the one. I played the shit smart, now my brain.
What's up, guys? It's December 9th. It is a real quiet day, and for December it is warm as heck. It's 55 degrees, and it's supposed to cool off in the morning to like 19. So they might move tonight, or they might not. It is doe season in Missouri, and that is what we are after. I did not bring my bow, so we are not doing any buck hunting. Just does. Hopefully some big does come in. We have not had as good a year as we thought we might. Had a lot of mishaps and mistakes happen, so it's part of it. But boy, this year it just feels like when it rains it pours. So hopefully we get blessed with a nice doe tonight, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness, that happened so quick. There's still one out here in the field. I don't want to. It happened so quick. I think there's 2 deer still here. I think I just shot 2 does. Oh my gosh, that could be meat in the freezer. I don't know how good the camera was on them. They came so quick. They came out of nowhere. And I think I just shot 2 big does. I know the first one is hammered. That second one ran. I mean, I had a good side picture on her. I think I hammered her too. I tell you what, if you don't get that excited when you're hunting, there they go. There they go. Yeah, doe season is great because there's no reason to wait for a buck. I see him. It is a buck. There's a buck with him. Not a big buck. There's a group of 5 does I've been seeing. There they go. No, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. I see 4 deer right now running. I'm not going to shoot at anything else. I'm going to look at them though. Yeah. They're all still out there. I wonder if I can get on them. Way out there. You see them through the woods there. I think I just drilled them, man. I really do. let's get down and see. After the season I've had, all the bad luck, man, all the poopy luck, man, to have that many deer come in after sitting for 40 minutes. I just hope I put a good hit on both of them. Oh. One is really small. You can't beat that. I'm gonna spook these deer off and get down out of here. Got down and I'm on the opposite side of the field. I shot them over there. There's some does still out there. I'm gonna blow them out of the field probably. I don't see any does dead in this field. This timber's not very long, so I'm hoping they're dead in the timber. I'm very nervous, to be honest with you, because of how this season's went. So I'm probably not going to have this camera on too much until I know they're down. So, wonky GoPro it is. Alright, don't lose your canaries that I don't have my hunting hat on. My hunting hat is on the ground. I was tracking blood and needed to mark it. That was the craziest thing. Hopefully you can see it on the GoPro. I'm sitting there tracking blood of one doe. By the way, huge does. They are genuinely giant does, big mature does. Anyway, I'm freaking sitting there. I'm like, well, before I go track the other one, I'm gonna run in here and I'm going to drag this one to the field closest to the truck. Well, I start dragging and sure shit, there's the other beautiful big old doe. She's even bigger than the other one. I just can't believe it. Happened so quick. I wish I'd have been able to get it. There's a deer right there too. They're all over the place. I wish I'd have been able to get it on film. Stuff's all over the place, man. Shit is, deer are everywhere. I wish I'd have been able to get it on film, but sadly, I mean, I think the GoPro picked it up. But man, what a blessing. And boy, this has been a rough season, dude. What a blessing the Lord gave me today. All those months of hard work paid off on the first doe I killed. And finally, man, another doe, another two does, and not small does, stud does, dude. What trophies, man. I'm gonna say it again and again and again, but I am so blessed. Well, guys, here they are. I don't know if you can tell the size of these big mature does, man. Sadly, both shots Not good. They were dead within instantly because I'm shooting a 450, a big old cannon. So I'm lucky there. But man, these does, I worked so hard for these does, man. It's been such a season for me and my boys and my family. And man, it's just good to see two giants, man. I wish the shots, long crappy story I've already explained, but I dropped my gun from the stand a while back. I did take it to the range and sight it in, but I'm just wondering if my scope's not just done up, because these shots are not like me and not preferable. So regardless, thank you so much. Thank you both. Two big mature does. Thank you both. Man, the Lord really blessed me. I need to quit talking. I need to get these deer worked up. But my goodness, guys, this is just such a blessing. Come on.
In the depths of silence, where echoes remain, you were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness.